In this video, I'm going to show you an air conditioning unit which keeps tripping the breaker every time somebody turns the cooling on. I will walk you through how I found the problem and how I fixed it step by step. This is a rooftop commercial AC unit, but the same logic applies to any AC troubleshooting process. So let's get into it. Look at this. I feel like nobody touched this unit for a decade, and obviously here something tried to burn. The old one was burnt out, and it's also burnt the pressure switch as well, and I think the hose as well, the vacuum hose. So it's kind of odd in there. Yeah, so regular maintenance, that's a mandatory. Alright, so I checked the capacitor and it's good. It's right now it has like 30 and 5. It's a double capacitor, dual side capacitor, and it's good. I mean, it's doing the job. So, but neither the motor and the compressor, neither of them is spinning. So checking the contactor here, I want to also check if the power goes from this pole to this, I mean like through the contactor, because sometimes the contactor get fire. So let's plug it in and see. Alright, should be good. Okay, the fan starts. Let's see. So we have 239 internal voltage, and right now let's try to grab the outcome voltage. Back to life. So now it should be easier. Put the probes on the other side, and alright, we have 237 volts behind it. So the compressor started humming and the condenser fan is completely quiet. So seems like we got only the defective condenser fan, and that's pretty much it. So that's it. That's how simply tripped breaker turns to the condenser motor replacement. As easy as that. I feel like this is the original condenser motor from the factory. Yeah, label almost gone. And this is like, yeah, the burning spot right there. Right there. So, anyway, this guy needs replacement, so I'll go ahead and put in a new motor, of course if the manager okay with it. and it's pretty much done. Thank you so much for watching. Alright, quick update. So the manager get approved for contactor and the motor replacement, so I'll go ahead and put it in and see how it goes. So after putting a new condenser fan motor and new contactor, the AC unit successfully started working again. I put in a new filter and it's working just perfectly. I wasn't able to film the exact replacement process because my phone battery successfully died, but there is plenty of videos on the YouTube how to do it, so shouldn't be a problem. The diagnostic most of the time is the problem. So thank you for watching and see you in the next one.